Welcome back to Dataverse Solution. I hope you are doing very well. In this video, I will show you how to add new column to data frame using withColumn method. So before going forward, I request you to please subscribe this channel and like this video if you find this video helpful. Now let's get started and see how to add new column to data frame using withColumn method. So first we need to create here data frame, and we read here CSV file countries.csv file from storage account, and demo is the container. We already see how to mount storage account to Databricks in previous video, and these are the schema of this countries.csv file. So let's create data frame called countries_df. We successfully created here data frame. Let's use here display command to see the data available in this data frame. Display. So using display function we can see here data available in this data frame. These are the column and these are the row. So let us suppose we want to add new column to this data frame using withColumn method. So let us suppose we want to add current date. So first of all we need to import current date from PySpark function. So from PySpark.sql.functions, importing here current date. So you can see here intelligence and import, shift enter to execute, and we successfully imported function here current date. Now we want to add new column called current date to data frame country_df using withColumn function. You can see here withColumn, first letter is in lowercase and C is the uppercase. You can notice here. And first argument we need to pass here column name, and then second argument is column expression. So let us suppose we want to pass here current date, and we want to add here current date to this data frame. Okay, and opening bracket, closing bracket, and let's also display using display function to see adding column. You can see here we successfully add new column to data frame using withColumn function, and we successfully also add current date 12th October 2024. Now let us suppose we want to add literal value to this data frame. So how to add? First of all we need to import lit function from PySpark.sql.function. We want to import here lit function. So shift enter to execute. We successfully imported here lit function, and let us suppose we want to add environment to this data frame country_df. So write here data frame and use here withColumn function and pass here first argument which is column name. So let us suppose we want to name it environment, and this is the production environment. So write here production, and if I execute without using lit function, it's give error. You can see here it's not executed, so we need to use here lit function lit, because this is iterate to all row in data frame. So shift enter to execute, and now here is data frame created. Let's use here display command to display, and you can see here go to, you can see here env column is added successfully. Now let us suppose we want to add calculated column to data frame. So how to add? Let's see. Pasting here data frame, use here withColumn function, and now let us suppose we want to add population in millions. So how to add? First argument we need to pass here column name. So let's passing here column names in million, M4 million, and we need to pass here countries underscore df we need to pass here column name, which is population. This is column name, and divided by 1 millions. Okay, so 1 after 60, this is 1 millions, and let's execute. And also let us suppose creating here new data frame df_m. okay, and shift enter to execute, and let's see using display command. You can also use here like this, display_df and df_m to see. And you can see here we successfully added here population in millions, and we successfully see how to add calculated column as well using withColumn function. So that's all about in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe this channel and like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.